watching Island Post News Daily. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on Friday asked the BJP, who is part of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government, to sever ties with it if they are not comfortable working together. Tinsong said that the state leadership of the BJP was airing its grievances to the media instead of expressing their concern. It may be mentioned that the BJP has alleged illegalities in the district councils and illegal transportation of coal.
My only concern is this. See, if you are not comfortable, because you are also part of the government, you are free to leave. If you are not comfortable, I think you are free to leave the MDA government. I think that is the best way to do. Don't keep criticizing at the same time you want to work in the MDA. See, what is this? The statement which came up almost every day, the allegation made by the state unit of BJP, alleging that illegalities has happened. Number one is in the district councils, and number two is in the entire state of Meghalaya. I would like to inform to all of you, for the information of the citizens of the state, allegation can be made, but if you are responsible party or any responsible person, time and again, government used to request those concerned, please come up with facts, please come up with documents, because the platform of going to the press is not at all the solution. So we took a very strong observation on this. We took a very, very strong observation on this. And once again, the MDA government wanted to inform the citizens of the state that from day one itself we took over the government, we are committed to erase in totality if there is any illegalities. Seen it in the media, but where is the document? We also wanted to take action, but as I said to you, please come through proper channel. See, procedure has to be followed. We just seen in the media, so that's what I'm saying. See, seeing in the media, by people when they say that, oh, so and so is involved, this is that involved. That is not the end of the story, ne? See, again, that's what I'm saying. Even BJP state leadership, I saw CBI, anything CBI, anything CBI, CBI. I mean, it's so easy to just talk about CBI. But, as I said to you, due process has to be followed. Not just because Tom, Dick and Harry says, hey, this case should be given to CBI. But ultimately nothing. And for your information, just recently Supreme Court has given the order. No CBI. The case of Mrs. Agnes and all. So Supreme Court has given order. Not required for the CBI investigation.